Are you struggling with dry hair, breakage, or slow growth? This one simple spray can completely change your hair game. Let me show you how. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will take you step by step through making a simple but effective DIY aloe vera hairspray. It's affordable, all natural, and trust me, you will love how your hair will feel after using it. Watch till the end because I will also share some important tips you don't want to miss. First, let's prepare our aloe vera. I already have my fresh aloe vera leaves here. I will start by cutting it into big chunks into plastic plates. And putting in clean water. I will let it sit for some minutes so the yellowish substance, also called aloe, can be removed. This step is very important because aloe can sometimes cause itching or irritation, and we don't want that. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps me keep bringing you more natural hair care tips. After soaking, I will drain the water and cut off the sharp edges. Then I will scoop out the clear gel inside. This is what we will use to prepare our spray. Aloe vera gel is packed with vitamins, minerals and enzymes that strengthens the hair, soothes the scalp and promotes hair growth. Next, I will add the gel into a blender and blend it until smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can mash it, but blending gives a finer texture. After blending, I will strain it to remove lumps. This step is important so the spray doesn't clog to your bottle. Now you can add a few drops of tea tree, rosemary or peppermint essential oil if you like. This gives extra benefits, but even plain aloe vera is already amazing on its own. Then I will pour the gel into a clean spray bottle. And now our spray is ready. Let me show you how I used it. I section my hair and apply it directly to my scalp and strands, making sure every part is well coated. This spray instantly softens my hair, making it easier to manage and less prone to breakage. The benefits are endless. It hydrates and moisturizes dry hair, reduces breakage and shedding, softens itching scalp and dandruff, promotes thicker, healthier and long hair. To lock in all the goodness, I use my homemade cloves and ginger oil to seal the moisture. This oil has been a game changer for me. It keeps my hair nourished, strengthens the roots and promotes faster growth. I actually filmed a full video showing how I made this powerful oil, so make sure to check it out. I massage my scalp for a few minutes. Scalp massage is so important because it boosts blood circulation and encourages healthier, thicker hair growth over time. Remember, little habits like scalp massage makes a huge difference for a long-term hair health. And that's it, my simple but very effective aloe vera hairspray routine. Remember, consistency is key. Keep using natural remedies like this, and over time, you will see amazing results. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more DIY hair care recipes. Your support means so much to me. I also love to hear from you. Have you ever tried aloe vera on your hair before? Share your experience in the comments so we can all learn together. Until next time, keep loving your hair and keep it healthy. I will see you in my next video. Bye.